my channel of rediscovering the Pichwai art. Today, let's explore the element of Pichwai, that is. So let's paint this beautiful Pichwai envelope together. I have taken this beautiful Pichwai motif full of lotus and lotus stem. I'll start out coloring straight from the marker this time. Show you a real quick way of coloring. This entire video I'm not going to forward. I will show you step-by-step process without filtering anything or without forwarding the video. First, I did the outlining of my lotuses and straight I went inside and filled all the petals and give it a nice smooth coloring. This I am going to repeat in entire lotuses. You can choose any brush marker or brush pens to do so. The only trick over here is clean filling and doing the boundaries cleanly. Sometimes we are in a hurry and we tend to round the curves or edges of the lotuses. That makes it look shabby or make it look like other flowers. But to make it graceful, always remember, pro tip here, keep your petals tip pointed. Lotuses are always very pointed. So remember to keep it like that only. So it's important that you do the outlining with steady hand and don't rush throughout the process. In this video, I have chosen a particular hot pink shade, neither a light shade nor a pastel shade, as my envelope is already in a pastel tone. So avoid using another pastel tone, rather use a poppy shade of pink. That will immediately stand out your artwork. Next, I am doing the small buds of lotuses, and for that I have chosen the wine pink color. And with that wine pink only, I am going to give the outlining or the depth of lotuses. For the lotus stem, the leaf part, I am using the green color. I'll start with a lighter green, lighter shade of green. Choose any green you like. Why I'm using here the pastel or light pink shade is because this color tone is different from the pink. So it will give you that, complementary edge to the artwork. And for the inside, I'm filling it with the darker green, giving it a contrast and depth both all together. Same green I'm going to use in the stem as well. So always remember, whenever you make any artwork, especially in Pichwai, don't use too many colors. In this particular video, this is the quickest video to color any envelope or any motif of Pichwai. Now particularly there are three main colors, a darker green, that hot pink color, and the two shades of green. Now just to enhance, I am using another wine pink color to color the birds and give the depth of the lotuses. So entire artwork I will be using these range of colors only. I am not going to add any other color family to it. That makes your artwork balanced. Give it a richer look. Alright, so let me quickly do the outline with steady hand. No need to rush through the process. Just enjoy and feel it like a rhythm of your heartbeat. And you will just fall in love with the process. Here I am adding these little details. Again, I am using the same colors. You can see this is the same light green I've used before in the leaves. Once done, I'll be adding the depths and detailing. Now let's pick a darker green color and give some depth. I'm not going to fill it, I'm rather just going to give one line just above the light green. See, as soon as I'm giving it, the entire color and the entire drawing is coming out and looking more vivid. I've taken my Luna Stedler yellow color and I am just making a square block in the center of the envelope, and I will fill it with the lighter hand. This is just done. This will break the monotony of the background and will shift your focus from the bland background and will obviously add to the aesthetics of the envelope without much hard work or adding any other details. So it is like one of the quickest video that I have tried to make for you all. I have avoided using Luna Stedler pencil if you have noticed in this video for the base stone, and have straight used my markers to color or to give any shade. Final look of the tutorial. Let me know in the comments how do you like it and what next would you like me to paint in Pichwai. We would love to see your designs coming in. Keep following us for more. Winding it up, I feel that we need to add some details in the lotus so that it does not look flat and little bit of depth is there. I'm just highlighting the depth with this darker shade, the wine pink color. In almost 7 or 7.5 minutes, I have completely shown you how to color the entire motif of Pichwai in this envelope. Design is finally ready. Let me give you a very nice look of the same. We'll be waiting for your comments.